been a number of incidents in which Hidden Leaf Shinobi have gone missing.
They've gone missing?
So you noticed it too, huh? It's coming from the Aoun Gate.
I'll go and check it out, okay, guys?
Run! Run! Get out of here! Fast! Go! Go!
It can't be. Mr. Tadaichi. What? That's Mr. Tadaichi. Are you talking about the flower shop regular? And the others could be the people that have gone missing.
What? No way! You mean those guys are Hidden Leaf Shinobi? What the? Shadow Clone Jutsu!
Let's tend to the wounded.
Hey, they're getting into the village. Can you make wings with your expansion? Sure, got it. All right, we'll help too. There's more of them?
Not at all.
Hinata.
What is going on here?
Well, it seems like everyone is under a genjutsu.
Yakugan! There's a foreign chakra running through every inch of their bodies. It's possible that it's what's controlling them.
Well, all right. First things first, we have to start by capturing. Okay, come on. Let's go. Shadow Possession Jutsu!
They'll be immobilized for a day.
Hey, are you okay, Hinata?
Yes. It won't work. I tried my counter genjutsu, but there's no effect on the strange chakra in them.
It has to be the work of someone with extraordinary skill, so it'll require someone with extraordinary visual jutsu. We may not be able to see anything, but someone who possesses both the Sharingan and Rinnegan might be able to.
Huh? Sasuke's gonna come back home. Which means that I am alone. Kinda... well, hurts me. Return to the Hidden Leaf.
No, stop!
Tell me, that's like the exploding human that attacked the leaf.
Chino, go stall them.
You got it, Noaki!
What is all this? What's happening here?
What? Who are you?
Sorry. I've got nothing against you, but... Rain?
Fire style, Fireball Jutsu!
Come on, hurry up and kill him! Sharingan.
I'm sorry, but we don't really know what's going on here either.
Seems to me that you two aren't even from this village, are you?
We were shinobi, but now we're traveling performers. Daughter is so nice to us. She's really great. She made us this amazingly tasty food.
I have no choice but to ask these guys directly then.
Amino? Stay back, it's too dangerous. What? Who cares if it's dangerous or not? never forgive you, Fushi. I'll never forgive you, Fushi! Just who is this Fushin?
The Lightning Gang's leader. They take money from bad people and distribute it to poor people like us. The Lightning Gang was betrayed by the Hidden Mist.
Will you let us rest here? Just for a while?
Please, go elsewhere. Just because you take money from others and give it to those in need, don't think you can do whatever you want, you hear?
What are you gonna do?
Search the memories of the exploding humans.
Huh?
Those crimson eyes. I'm sure of it. It's a Kekkei Genkai.
Encountered exploding humans. I respectfully ask for your understanding. Just how long will your journey be forced to continue?
Sassy, where are you going?
It's your name, Sasuke Uchiha.
That has nothing to do with you two.
It does involve us. She was really kind to us. You're going to look for that Fushin guy, right? Listen, we're going too. I think that we might be able to help.
I don't care what you do, but stop calling me that, all right?
Well, I figured that because I'm older than you are, Sassy.
You shouldn't judge people by their appearance, or by your own preconceptions either. And whatever you do from here on out, know this: no matter what, I will love you always.
Oh, I see. Ignoring me, huh? So anyway, where exactly are we going? Ignoring me again, huh?
Hey, you.
I know you're not talking to me because my name isn't Hey You.
To create an exploding human, you need a Kekkei Genkai.
Wait, Sassy, hey! Hold on a minute, okay? We're coming!
You're Sasuke, right? I thought as much. Well, you can call me Yamato. After all, I can't very well allow just anyone who comes here to go inside to see Orochimaru. Did you send word about this to Lord Sixth?
I plan to report to him if this pans out.
I'll go ahead and send Lord Sixth a report. We're comrades after all. And I'm certain that Kakashi-sensei also taught you the importance of trust and teamwork.
It's been a long time, hasn't it, Sasuke?
Do you know a Fushin, the leader of the Lightning Gang?
This Fushin possesses a Kekkei Genkai. He was once a guard under Eno Yashiro. He has hideouts that are even more secret than mine. I think finding him will prove to be rather difficult, but I can lure him out. However, doing so may cause a few problems.
Hi, Sasuke! Hey, you! Why didn't you tell me you were coming?
You should have seen the look on your face. Nothing but absolute panic.
Shut up! If it weren't for that big mouth of yours, you'd have nothing at all!
Sasuke and I will be taking a trip to the sea. You'll stay and mind the fort.
No, Aki.
All right.
Don't go, Sasuke!
Imagine Sasuke working for the sake of strangers.
By showing everyone that Sasuke isn't in the Hidden Leaf Village and that he's still out journeying around the world.
That might be so.
You know, and are still able to move freely, is quite astonishing.
Kabuto, you and I are insurance, in case something happens that can't be countered with conventional wisdom or ability. Your friend in the leaf likely doesn't have an inkling of this concept in his head.